Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales, guys. I'm Greg, and I am standing in front of one beautiful 67 Chevelle. As you can see, it's a convertible. It's got a GM Performance 350, 425 horsepower power plant up front, and you're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. You can bet we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at the horsepower under the hood. We're gonna look at that beautiful interior. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this 67 Chevelle convertible. So come on up and we're gonna fire this horsepower up. So check this beauty out, man. That red paint is drop dead gorgeous, beautiful. The grill's in great shape. The chrome on the front bumper looks great. The bodywork on the car is phenomenal. I tell you what, it is straight as an arrow. That hood fits nearly perfect. That line is maybe just a tiny bit tighter in the front than it is the back, but it is perfectly flush with that front fender. All the lines on the car are straight as can be. Look how that door fits, how nice and flush that is. And the paint is just as smooth as can be. Now that line, straight as an arrow, nice and flush there. That door opens up nice and smooth. And look at this door jamb. Look how nice and clean that door jamb is. We got the bumpers here, new rubber. Looks like it's got a brand new latch in it. The upholstery on the door looks like it's brand new. The paint on the inside of the door looks new. And look at that door jamb. I tell you what, anybody that spends that much time making a door jamb look that good, you know the rest of the car is quality. It's got a tilt column in it, custom steering wheel, custom center console. That's a low-car custom shifter, custom interior in this thing, and it is beautiful. Now, we've got a boot for it. It's on its way in, so there'll be a boot when we park this baby in your driveway. And look at the dash. Look at all that chrome on the dash. Beautiful. I was just out driving this car. It drives phenomenal. Just a real sweet ride right here, guys. 67 drop top Chevelle. That 425 horse 350 up front making the power. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. All this trim looks good. All these look fantastic. These are all gnarly on most cars. This one looks like it's brand new. Inside the trunk, look at the finish in there. We got the Chevrolet bow tie in there. All these closeout panels and the carpeting. What a pro job on this baby. And look at the paintwork, even on the bottom side of the deck lid. Beautiful. All the lips on the deck lid also look beautiful. When you look down the side of the car, you want to talk about straight as an arrow. That car is amazing. The bodywork on the car is phenomenal. My hat is off to the body man on this baby. And look at that door jamb. Beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Chevelle. We've got about 222 cars in stock right now, and we own each and every one of those cars. So you can bet we did our homework before we bought them. Then when we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them. So if you've got any questions, call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he can tell you anything about this car or any of the other cars we have in stock that you want to know. Now let's go outside and drive this convertible. All right, let's take a 67 convertible for a ride. Red car and the top goes down. What a beautiful ride we've got here, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this 67 anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you how easy it is to ship this car anywhere you live in the world. And if you need help with some financing on the car, no problem there either. We've got 2 banks we work with. It only takes like a 15-20 minute phone call with the banker, and this dream's in your drive. Now we're buying about 40 new cars every month, so keep a close eye on us. You never know what we'll be bringing in next. Could be another beautiful red car just like this. We got a 66 hardtop just came in. You never know what we'll be buying, guys, because we're bringing in about 40 every month. Always something new coming in at Vanguard. Now it looks like we got a heck of a mess up here. Got a bunch of semi trucks pulling up and backing up. Well, I'll tell you a little bit about us. We're right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport, and we sell about 90% of our cars sight unseen. So if you'd like to come in and visit, we'd love to have you. We don't get to meet a lot of our customers because we sell so many cars sight unseen. So come on in and visit us. We'd love to have you. It's only a 20-minute ride from the airport. We're just north of Toledo, right outside of Ann Arbor. We'd love to have you come out and check out the shop. We've got about 200 cars in stock. Now down here on the dash, you can see the speedo's working. Looks like the battery charging gauge is working. The gas gauge is working over here. We got an aftermarket radio here. Then we've got water temp down here, oil pressure, and then the tach and this custom center console. What a sweet ride we've got right here, guys. Get around the corner here and we'll listen to this sweet exhaust. This thing is making some sweet tunes coming out of that exhaust. I'll tell you what a beautiful restoration on this car. Get around the corner here. Now, if you see Tom or I at a car show, we'd love to meet you. We try to get to all the big car shows all over the country so we can keep an eye on what's going on in the world. So if you see one of us, we'd love to meet you. Come on up, say hi. We'll get around the corner here. We'll be coming up on our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now the brakes are stopping it nice and straight. I don't have my hand on the wheel. It's driving nice and straight. Like I said, that exhaust has got a real great sound to it. Listen to it. Trans is shifting out nice. Just a beautiful ride here. Now here's our shop. We're gonna do something now that you don't see the other guys doing. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood and see what's going on with that power plant under the hood. All right, we're underneath this 67 Chevelle Convertible, and man, is she nice under here. You can see the tank's been coated with a bed liner material, and that is slick as can be. Brand new exhaust. The drop downs look good. Trunk floor looks good. We've got this heavy duty cast aluminum cover. It comes from DTS. That actually puts some pressure on the cap bearings there to give it a little more strength. 373 gear in there, and it is posi. QA1 shocks. We've got disc brakes out back. We're drilled and slotted on the rotors. It's got upgraded lower control arms and upper control arms, and it says Hotchkiss Performance on it. That's good. We got Flowmaster mufflers. We got great looking frame. Backside of the rockers are nice and tight. And again, the floorboards have been all blacked out with that bed liner material that's gonna cut down on your noise and keep it protected. It's got a big old heavy duty drive shaft loop on it. Cross member looks like it's brand new. It's got a turbo 400 trans in it with this extra special cooling pan on it. We've got a closeout panel on a torque converter that's all polished up. Jet coated headers. Now up front here making the power, that is a ZZ4 385 horse crate motor with the 425 horsepower cam upgrade in it. We got tubular lower control arms, tubular upper control arms, drilled and slotted rotors up front with those disc brakes, a gigantic sway bar here, Global West on the front suspension. Looks like the Gearbox here is also power and upgraded. It looks like a brand new box. It's got some billet parts bolted to it. Crossflow radiator here. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support looks good. Chrome on the front bumper looks great. It's just an amazing build, guys. I tell you what, if it was my car, I'd put some mirrors underneath this at any car show. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, some great looking 5-spoke aluminum wheels, no rash on them whatsoever. BFG tires, and it looks like 235/40 18s up front. Wheel lip moldings look good. Paintwork right down to the bottom edge looks good. Pinch weld looks good. Bottom side of the rocker looks great. And I always try to feel around on these front fenders, feel if there's any patchwork or anything back there. All I can feel is nice smooth metal. Now let's check the rear. All right, out back, good looking wheels back here too. Looks like they're a little bigger. They're definitely wider. And we got 255/35 20s in the back. Again, Willwood disc brakes. Bottom edge of the quarter's beautiful. I can see the spot welds. Always want to feel this edge too. All I feel is a nice clean wheel well there where it's welded to the quarter. And again, bottom side of the rocker is beautiful. That rocker molding also looks great. Let's get under the hood and take a look at the power. All right, under the hood here, like I said, GM Performance Crate motor here. It's got the GM intake on it, the GM heads, of course. Great looking valve covers. It's got a big old Demon Farbarrel carburetor on it, polished up aluminum water pump, polished up alternator and power steering pump, serpentine belt setup on it, electric fan, power brakes. Now this is the 385 horsepower 350, and like I said, it was upgraded to the 425 horsepower cam in it. We checked the casting numbers. It is a 4-bolt main block. It's got MSD sending power over there to the MSD distributor. Great looking set of wires all tucked down in there, nice and tight. Heater hoses are coated with stainless steel. Fuel line also got great looking chromed up hoses here for the radiator. Be Cool on the radiator. Optima on the battery. Nice paint on the inner wheelhouses and the firewall and the bottom side of the hood. They even put new fiberglass in the hood, guys. This car's amazing. The top goes down. She's got plenty of horsepower. She's ready to go. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.